Self-awareness means understanding your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It helps you make better choices and live a happier life. Today, we will learn how to become more self-aware every day. First, start by paying attention to your thoughts. Notice what you think about often. Are your thoughts positive or negative? When you feel upset or happy, ask yourself why. This helps you understand your emotions better. Second, observe your feelings without judging them. It is okay to feel angry, sad, or scared. Accept your feelings as they come. When you accept them, you can control how you react. Third, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means being present in the moment. Try to focus on what you are doing right now. For example, when you eat, taste your food slowly. When you walk, notice the sounds and sights around you. This practice improves your focus and helps you connect with yourself. Fourth, keep a journal. Write down your thoughts and feelings each day. This helps you see patterns in your behavior. You may discover what makes you happy or stressed. Writing also clears your mind and helps you reflect on your day. Fifth, ask for feedback from people you trust. Sometimes others see things about us that we do not notice. Listen to their opinions with an open mind. Use their feedback to improve yourself. Sixth, set time each day to check in with yourself. Ask questions like, how am I feeling? What do I want right now? What can I do to feel better? Regular self-checks keep you aware of your needs and goals. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Self-awareness takes time and practice. It is okay to make mistakes. Every day is a new chance to learn about yourself and grow. By becoming more self-aware, you understand yourself better. You make smarter decisions and improve your relationships. Start with small steps and watch how your life changes. Remember, self-awareness is the key to personal growth and happiness. Begin today and see the difference it makes.